Lot of activities going on, but I'm not recording all that because it will take time. Anyhow, my mobile stopped over there when I just showed my face. So when I was there at that perfume place, I am printing more than 30,000 slips. 30,000 slip, 5 different categories, all Spanish language. Okay, and like this, what you're seeing, this kind of shops, every area in a park area there will be. If I walk another 2 kilometers, there will be another huge park, and like this shop. Some people speak English. I am targeting only people who can speak English. Okay, and give them an offer. So if you are truly looking at earning globally, genuine business, okay, genuine global business, you don't have time. People will act they don't have time. They'll be broke, but they will act they don't have time. Again, Abhinandan here. So if you really want 2026 to be a great year financially, earning $3,000 per month, provided you work, simply it won't happen. There are some stupid people. Oh, if I give you $55, you are not going to give me. I won't take money from you. Okay? There are some stupid people. Oh, I will give you $55, you give me every month $3,000. I will blast them left and right, they run away. Okay? So, now what I'm trying to say is, you have to work. I do pure referral business. You go to Amazon.com website, there is earn through referral, earn through affiliate. Agree or not? Amazon or Flipkart or anything. Referral business is the safest business with no risk. I'll repeat. Referral business is the best business when you do not want to make huge investment. Okay, with a referral business, I'm traveling the world. I sometimes promote the $55 business, sometimes $123 business, depending on the people whom I meet. So contact and speak to Abhinandan. Visit my website abhits.info. Only when your mind is fresh. When your mind is fresh and alert after an 8-hour sleep. Why am I saying this is because when I also start watching even a 20 minutes business video, I start getting sleep. But I'm watching some other crap, junk, scrolls and reel. For 3 hours I'll be watching. Okay? So, you have to watch when your mind is fresh. When I want to learn something, I want to learn programming, web development tool, I watch it only when I finish my 9 hours sleep, have a cup of coffee, and then I sit down for another 2 hours time some people are very, very beautiful. They cannot, I should not take a camera and straightly point at them. Okay, anyhow. So, I have like this this is only intro videos, I'm repeating it. So contact and speak to me. There are people who just watch this and tell me what is a business. The business is explained in my website, abhits.info. And that is also an introductory with my background and information. It is not an investment. Okay. No company would be interested in giving money to you. that owner will run away after it was. There's a nice article by the government of India. I have that article. It mentions how initially they pay money to build trust and then take away big money and go away after 6 months to 1 year time. And those uplines of yours who introduce will vanish. You know what they will say? What can I do? You want to cry for $100? They will tell. But it's not the $100. You wasted time building it. Agree or not? So when you speak with Abhinandan, when you take a $55 business, it's a pure referral. But with 100% commission, 100% instant. You start with 25, but later see the light may reflect like this, but that's okay. As I'm walking around and I sit somewhere, sometimes I have a conversation with some good people, some nice female. Okay. I see where I sit. My eyes is scanning that. Like if they are a couple or anyone. See, this lady is very pretty who sells what to say, bakery stuff. I want to talk to her. Now, but many people do not know English. Anyhow, so contact and speak to Abhinandan and say, Abhinandan, I watched this video. I have already visited your website. I watched the full video when my mind was fresh. I understood these things. Okay. Now, these are my questions. And I want to start with 1 ID or 6 IDs, whatever it is. So, now, Bolivia is a very nice place. I won't waste my time giving a presentation about Bolivia. Okay, but I will find a nice suitable place. Sit. You should talk to me to know the stories. I cannot explain this on a public video. Okay. So, very important is visit the website which you see on this one. Only open it on a laptop or on a mobile laptop or a computer, not on a mobile. Only when your mind is fresh, watch it completely, speak to me and be ready to work for 6 months time. If you really want a dream of achieving a trip to America, USA, either New York or Miami, work with Abhinandan. There's a beautiful landmark. I'll find a place to sit here. Okay. And sometimes you get good people to have a nice conversation. And I'll tell you those stories later. So here if they move, this will be a nice backdrop. So I'm going to stop right now. Abhinandan here again. Contact and speak to me. Oh, there's a lot of... Someone sat off. So there's a lot of things. You can speak. No other leader or a WhatsApp admin will speak to you. 99% of them don't know how to speak English. Okay. Or they won't be confident to speak. You call me after night 10 o'clock. This is the lady I told her. Okay. So, some of them will be very, very pretty. Okay. Now, I'm seeing a place where to sit. That's why I'm talking until that time. Okay. Everywhere is occupied. So anyhow, talk to me and make 2026 a great year financially. Okay? If you really want to make, what did you achieve in 2025? In 2025, I was there in USA. Okay? Till February 25th, 2025, I was in Colombia, 6 months, Peru, now Bolivia. I'll be going to Chile and then to Argentina, and then coming to India, going to Malaysia, South Korea, Mexico and USA. So contact and speak to Abhinandan.